Hi, my name is Katie Bach and I'm the Digital Marketing Manager here at RAM Mounts. Today we're going to cover how to find the best holder for your tablet. Step 1. Identifying your tablet. There's a plethora of different tablets on the market today, all with similar sounding names. We wish it could be as simple as saying, I have an iPad, or I have a Samsung Galaxy. But unfortunately, you will need to know the exact make and model of your device. iPads can be the Air, Mini, Pro 11-inch, Pro 12.9-inch, or the standard version, which as of this post is their 10th generation. Samsung tablets are available in various Tab A, Tab S, and other series. If you're unsure of the exact make and model of your tablet, you should be able to find it in the settings of your device. Once you know the make and model of your tablet, you can head on over to rammount.com and plug it into our make and model drop-down tools, which will populate a set of solutions with guaranteed fitment. The RAM Mount Builder will give you the top recommended solutions for your tablet. Or you can head over to the Tablet Mounts landing page, which will display all RAM tablet holders. From there, you can navigate to the make and model filters on the left side of the page. If the exact make and model of your tablet is not available within those drop-downs, we can take an alternative approach and measure the overall dimensions of your tablet. If your tablet is in a case, we'll want to take those into consideration as well. Some devices will have a number in their title. That can get a little bit confusing for folks, but at the end of the day, it does not get you out of measuring your tablet. It typically stands for the diagonal distance of the screen, not the height or the width. For example, the Apple iPad Pro 12.9-inch 6th Gen is listed as having a 12.9-inch screen, but in their tech specs, they call out the 12.9 inches as being the diagonal reference, while the overall dimensions are 11.04 by 8.46. This is an important distinction to make because a commonly asked question here at RAM is whether the Apple iPad 12.9 will fit the RAM X Grip for 12-inch tablets. At a glance between the two titles, they might not seem compatible, however, when you take in the overall dimensions, it'll be a perfect fit. Now that you've found the overall dimensions of your tablet, we're going to navigate the compatibility charts together. You can find them using the link below in our description. You can cross-reference your measurements with our available holders, and remember, each dimension of your tablet must be within the height, width, and depth ranges. Step 2. Selecting your holder. At RAM, we have a variety of holders that you can choose from depending on your preferences on price, features, functionality, and the overall look. Let's explore the differences between the RAM Tab Tight, the Tab Lock, and the RAM X Grip. The biggest difference when choosing between the RAM Tab Tight and Tab Lock collection and the RAM X Grips is that one is modular and one is universal. The RAM Tab Tight and Tab Lock consist of modular interchangeable cups that connect to the top and bottom of a universal body. There are two different names because we offer a non-locking version, appropriately called the RAM Tab Tight, which keeps it simple and comes out to about $30 or $40. We also have a locking version called the Tab Lock for those tablets that need a little bit more theft deterrence. This will fall between the $80 and $90 price range. The benefit of this modular collection is that when you do upgrade to a new tablet or get a new case, you don't need to get an entirely new holder. Instead, you can purchase a set of interchangeable end cups that are compatible with your new device. Out with the old and in with the new. They're super easy to install, and my favorite part is that it provides the freedom to make significant upgrades, like going from an 8-inch tablet to a 12-inch one. Or flip the script and upgrade the body of your holder from a non-locking to a key-locking version and carry those cups over. On the other hand, we have our beloved universal option, the RAM X Grips. These cost anywhere between $50 to about $95 depending on the size of your tablet. With only 3 sizes available, this is our most universal option in terms of the amount of devices that it supports. If you ever upgrade your tablet to a new model, there's a good chance that your current RAM X Grip will carry over to support your new tablet. If there's any doubt about what holder is best for your device, you can always contact RAM customer support and get the best recommendation for you. All RAM holders are backed by a lifetime warranty, compatible with all RAM ball and socket mounting components, and suitable for any environment, unless otherwise specified. As new tablets come to market, RAM will always be ahead of the curve, developing the highest quality, premier mounting solutions so that you can take your tablet along with you anywhere. Let us know in the comments if this video was helpful to you, or if you have any other product questions. Thanks for tuning in. Katie Buck out.
Ooh.